National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northeastern Prowers County in southeastern Colorado, southeastern Kiowa County in southeastern Colorado, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles south of Sheridan Lake, or 22 miles northwest of Coolidge, moving southeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 2-inch hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hartman. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service in Pueblo.